Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the best product reviews on everyday essentials. Today, we're spotlighting what we believe is the best car wash microfiber mitt sponge available on the market. The SCRUBIT Microfiber Car Wash Sponge 2-pack. Let's get right into it. It's a sunny weekend, your car's begging for a good scrub, and you're ready to give it the TLC it deserves. But halfway through the wash, your sponge starts scratching the paint, or it just doesn't pick up enough grime. That's where SCRUBIT comes in, and it's about to level up your car cleaning game. This microfiber sponge is designed with two key surfaces. On one side, you get plush wash noodles, those thick, soft microfiber tendrils that gently trap dirt, dust, and debris. They're incredibly absorbent and smooth, so every swipe feels like your car is getting a spa treatment. Flip it over, and you've got a scratch-free mesh side that's perfect for scrubbing off tougher, stuck-on dirt like bug guts or road grime. It's a thoughtful design that gives you versatility without risking damage to your vehicle's finish. Now let's talk build quality. SCRUBIT didn't skimp on materials. The sponge is made from a blend of 87% polyester and 13% polyamide, a high-grade microfiber mix that's known for durability and softness. That means you can reuse these sponges over and over without them breaking down or losing effectiveness. Whether you're cleaning your car, truck, van, or SUV, this sponge handles it all. And it's not just for the exterior. You can use it on windows, plastic trims, even interiors if you want a gentle touch on delicate surfaces. One of the standout features is how thoughtfully SCRUBIT approaches paint protection. We all love our vehicles. They're not just transportation, they're reflections of our lifestyle. The last thing anyone wants is swirl marks or micro scratches from a cheap cleaning tool. This sponge respects that love, offering professional level care at a fraction of the cost. Whether you're a weekend washer or someone who treats car cleaning like a ritual, this belongs in your kit. The size is just right, not too big, not too small, fitting comfortably in your hand so you can glide over surfaces with full control. It holds a generous amount of water and soap, helping you get more done with fewer trips to the bucket. And because you're getting a 2-pack, you can keep one dedicated to the body and another for wheels or windows, maintaining that separation and reducing cross-contamination. It's simple, smart design, premium materials, protective for your car, and excellent value in a pack of 2. It fits into any detailing kit, handles daily grime like a pro, and leaves your vehicle gleaming without the worry of scratches. If you're serious about keeping your car clean, shiny, and showroom-worthy, don't settle for less. Pick up the SCRUBIT Microfiber Car Wash Sponge. It's not just a sponge, it's a detailer's secret weapon. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this one. See you in the next video.